Detective Diary. Sheriff Labrador. There's no case we can't solve. Woof. Welcome to the police station. Let's begin today's work together. Woof. I am Sheriff Labrador.
Sheriff Labrador, please help me. My child is lost.
Stay calm. Please tell me your location.
Oh, I'm at the amusement park.
I'll be right there. Sheriff Labrador ready to go.
Sheriff Labrador, you are here. I just answered a phone call and my child is lost.
Count on me. What's your child wearing when got lost?
My child is a little antelope. She is wearing a red hat. She is wearing a blue outfit. She is carrying a small green shoulder bag.
The portrait is ready. Let's check the surveillance video to see if the little antelope is still in the amusement park. Can you find the little antelope shown on the portrait? 3 stars! You are as awesome as Sheriff Labrador. 2 stars. You are as awesome as Officer Doberman.
1 star. You are as awesome as Officer Akita.
Bumper car. Pirate ship. You got it. Good job. You are as cool as Sheriff Labrador. The little antelope stands next to the pirate ship. Let's check it out. The little antelope stands next to the pirate ship. Let's go! Arrive at the pirate ship. Hi, kid. Come with me. I will buy you candy.
Yeah.
Oh no! The little antelope is about to go with a stranger. Let's hurry there. Kid, do not go with him. He is a bad guy. Sheriff Labrador. Stop right there. The bad guy has escaped. Let's chase him. You have caught the bad guy! Good job! You are as cool as Sheriff Labrador! The evil bad guy! Now Sheriff Labrador will arrest you! I am wrong. I will never do it again.
Thank you so much, Sheriff Labrador.
You are welcome. This is my duty. Kids, keep up with your parents when going out. Never go with any strangers.
Yeah, Sheriff Labrador, thank you.
Labrador, mission complete. Some sheriff dogs started lecturing on safety. The little antelope left with a stranger. Is the behavior right? That's not the right thing to do. Keep up with your parents when going out. Never go with any strangers.